Hospital staff who have treated Princess Anne have revealed the only 3 members of the royal family that she will listen to in order to make her behave. Medics attending to the Princess Royal at Aberdeen Royal Infirmary in 2016, when she sustained a chest infection, recalled that she constantly wanted to get up and go home. It was only when key members of her inner circle were brought in that she was able to take their advice. However, once she returned home, nurses received a generous thank you gift. One nurse shared, "She wasn't a good patient. She thought she wasn't really ill and constantly wanted to get up and go home. The best advice is to keep her husband, Sir Tim Lawrence, or one of the children, Peter Phillips and Zara Tindall, on hand," the medical worker told the Mail. "They are the only people who can tell her to behave. Once she was home, she was generous with thank you notes, flowers, and a charitable donation." It was no surprise then that the first family member spotted rushing to Princess Anne's side after she suffered minor head injuries and a concussion from an impact with a horse's head or legs on Sunday was Sir Tim. Yesterday, the former Royal Navy officer was seen visiting his wife in the hospital after her incident on June 23rd at the pair's Gatcombe estate in Gloucestershire. Just after midday on Tuesday, Sir Tim arrived at Bristol Southmead Hospital, where the royal couple shared lunch together as Anne continued her recovery. Sir Tim was seen stepping out of a navy blue Range Rover, wearing beige chinos, a blue shirt, and a navy blazer as he walked past members of the public outside the hospital. Buses were waiting outside the building as he and his security detail parked, with patients, visitors, and hospital staff milling around on the pavement. Upon leaving the facility, Sir Tim said the princess was doing fine, slow but sure. When asked if he had bought anything for his wife, he replied, "Just a few little treats from home." Later, Zara Tindall visited the hospital for more than an hour on Tuesday afternoon, leaving just before 5:30 p.m. On arrival, she walked briskly to the main entrance wearing sunglasses, a blue denim shirt and shorts. As she exited towards her Mercedes, she smiled at reporters but declined to comment on Anne's condition with a wave. The Olympic horsewoman and her brother, Peter Phillips, were on the estate when Anne was injured, but it is not known who raised the alarm. Emergency services, including an air ambulance, rushed to Gatcombe Park. However, Anne did not require airlifting to the hospital, instead making the 50-minute journey by road for appropriate treatment. A Buckingham Palace statement on Monday said, "The Princess Royal has sustained minor injuries and concussion following an incident on the Gatcombe Park estate yesterday evening. Her Royal Highness remains in Southmead Hospital, Bristol, as a precautionary measure for observation and is expected to make a full and swift recovery. The King has been kept closely informed and joins the whole royal family in sending his fondest love and well wishes to the Princess for a speedy recovery." Daniel Smith, GB News.